I'm Anna Salas. And if you're here for 9 EQ method, like how to ditch stress, overwhelm, chaos, resistance, all of those things that can just ruin your day, your week, your month, your year, welcome. So I am excited that you're here. And I ask that you go ahead and put your information in the chat while I get the recording going so that I can share a PowerPoint with you. Now I promise we're not going to do death by PowerPoint because I'm comfortable just having a conversation with you. And that's really the goal of our time today. So I do want to make sure that you know that you're in the right place. If you're familiar with my work, great. If you're not, welcome for a first-time exposure to what I do and who I am. Give you a little bit of an introduction, not much. I'm Anna Salas. I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I am now doing my work as a visionary creativity consultant after 2 decades of being an energy healer, a life coach, an international speaker, international facilitator of volunteer programs internationally, retreats and workshops. In last time I counted, it was 12 or 13 countries over those 2 decades. So I am excited to be with you. Now, what's new for me is that COVID actually shuttered my entire alternative hands-on healing practice. I got information that I needed to just close everything down. It just wasn't going to be safe for me to continue seeing clients in my space here in Philadelphia. I'm happy to announce that restriction has been lifted, and I have a beautiful space to work with my clients now here in Philadelphia. And that includes offering a VIP day. So if you're willing to travel, you live in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, even Maryland, that's something you might want to consider. But first, let's look at the topic. What are we talking about today? We're going to be focusing on the issue of my 9 essential questions method and how it could be incredibly helpful to you if you're between the ages of 25 and I would say 55, and you're still working out issues with what I call Me Too Mom. This is really something that we're going to get into in some detail, but I wanted to make sure that you know that you're in the right place. This can be a challenge, whether you're a daughter or a son. And it's a significant challenge. And I will share a little bit of my own story with my Me Too mom. But I also want you to focus on my 9 essentials questions method, because not only has it clarified my relationship with my Me Too mom, but it literally helped save my life in my mid-20s when I was terminally ill, 1 kidney failing, and having been told that I would never be able to have any more children, but nobody could tell me why not. Just that I had developed an inoperable form of secondary infertility. So we'll get started. I'm going to start the PowerPoint, and I'm going to just sort of jazz it through this presentation, knowing that we have about an hour to spend together. So once again, thank you for being here.